Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we're going to do one of the exciting projects in computer vision. We're going to do pose detection and also extract these poses onto a brand new canvas. This use case is very useful, especially when you're in the health domain or you're in the sports domain where you want to detect the pose of a boxer, of an athlete, of a footballer, or of any player at all, right? Or if you're a gym instructor where you want to detect the pose of a person, this use case is very, very much applicable. Let me give you a demonstration of what I mean by pose detection. All right, so I'm going to run this code over here, and then we're going to have the result. All right, now you can see what we have. Okay, so we have the person over here, and then you can see the pose of the person, right? We're able to detect the pose of the person and also extract these poses. All right, let me use a different image and then show you all that I mean by that. All right, so I'm going to go here and then go to the code itself. We're going to walk through the code step by step, so I'm going to start from a new blank image, and then I'm going to show you everything over there. Right, so let me just show you with a different one. Right, so over here you can see that we have the pose over there, we have the person, so we're able to detect whatever pose that the person makes. We're able to detect everything over here perfectly like that. Right, let me use a different image for you to see. Right, let me use say 5. Right, so let me use the image 5, and then I'll show you what I mean by that. Okay, now you can see over here. Right, see, this is the real image over here, and I mean a video over here, and then you can see that we're able to extract all the poses of the person. Right, so as the person moves, we're able to extract. So if you're a gym instructor, if you're a medical instructor, you want to detect the pose of the person in order to give the recommendation. Right, if you're a sports analyst, you'll be able to get all the poses of the person and then recommend the right positions, and you know which positions are not good or which position that the person needs to master more. Right, you'll be able to detect all that. Okay, you'll be able to detect all that. So this is very, very much useful, especially if you're in a sports analytics industry. This is going to be very, very much useful. Okay, so you can see over here, right, we're able to detect whatever position that the person will be. We will still be able to detect. All right, okay, so you can see that, right? So if you're a gym instructor, sports instructor, you can see the position, all right, all the pose of the person, and then you know how the person whether this pose is right, that's the right way to do it or not. You will be able to give the right recommendation. Okay, so this is very, very much exciting project, and I'm sure you're going to love it by the end of the day. Okay, so we're going to get started over here, and I'm going to start with a blank PyCharm file so that we start doing it over there. Right, so let's actually get started over here. All right.